lake is pretty messed up right now. It just keeps flooding more and more. So it's been pretty tough to fish from the bank. A lot of my spots are completely underwater and the water line is way up in the trees, so trying to cast from anywhere is pretty difficult. I do have a new buddy who has hit me up about possibly going out on his boat today, so that might happen later this evening, if not soon. It is pretty treacherous out there. There's so much flooding that there's a lot of debris in the water, so we got to look out for that. But we may do a video from there soon, so that's why I haven't had so much content coming out the last week or so. Last couple of weeks it has been tough to shoot. So today we're back at Gert's Pond. He is nice enough to let us fish a little more today, so we're gonna get at it and see what we can do. One of the things that I've been excited to do is to review this new reel. This is like a $20 reel from Wish. So we're going to try this sucker out today, compare it against my Daiwa that I got for about the same price on eBay, which I'm not going to lie, I did take a couple casts with it by the lake at one spot I can cast, and it casts about a country mile. So look forward to that. So even this pond's a little high. I'm going to start off with this little square bill crank in these shallows. Last time I only caught bass here, and I know that there's some smaller species, so we're just going to see if this thing pulls anything real quick. Last time the plastic worm was definitely the big winner of the day. They might not be into this right now. We will be trying a worm next. Let's try it. New reel coming in hot. With the magnet turned all the way up. Cross our fingers. Here we go. That did not cast very well at all. We might want to loosen that a little. Huh. That's bad. That's bad. That's a bad whiplash right now. Right when I'm about to probably get a bite. So it's very plastic, very hollow feeling. Not really a fan of it. I think it'll do okay with really heavy stuff. Okay, so I was pretty astounded at how poorly that thing was performing. So we're going to use my old standard for a minute. Old classic Lew's American Hero speed spin. Oh, hey honeybee. We like honeybees here. This is the land of the honeybees here. It's literally where I come get my honey, so don't smash a bee here. Finally. It was bound to happen sooner or later, right? Yeah. No monster, but he'll do. Thanks for playing, buddy. What the hell? That was a hit right away as soon as it hit the water. There's a fish. Hey, that's a different species. I finally caught a crappie. Yeah. Hey, a lot of pretty colors in that guy. That's cool. I think I just saw a big fish move on the other corner over there. So I'm gonna go see if I can get him.